Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my first inspiration for Finnabair. I am super happy that I made to a creative team and I will be very happy to share my inspirations with you featuring Finnabair products. For today, I decided to alter a simple paper cup into a lovely gift box. The cup I have is in craft, just brown color, but you can take any cup you will have and follow the steps I will be showing to create something similar. I'm starting with white gesso. I want to prime my project because I will be using acrylic paints later. So 2 or 3 layers of white gesso I'm going to add here, and it's good to wait for the first layer to dry before adding another layer. I'm going to mix 2 pink acrylic paints. These are metallic paints, so they are shiny. I have a very light pink and a darker pink, and I want to create ombre effect on the cup. So the top of the cup will be darker and then lighter and the bottom white. I'm not going to paint the bottom. I decided to cover that uneven part of the lid on the top of it. For that, I took a piece of cardboard and the paper. This is Prima Marketing, and I'm going to cut out the circle the same size as the top, and then adhere the paper to the cardboard and then the cardboard to the lid. But before adhering the cardboard to the lid, I had an idea to create a handle, you could say, on top of the lid. For that, I will use 2 beads. One is a wooden, really big bead, and then a little pearl connected by the wire, and I'm going to put this through the center of my circle before attaching it to the lid, and then I will secure that with the tape, double-sided tape, and after that I'm going to adhere that to the lid. I'm also going to add a string of pearls around the big pearl, big bead, and also around the bottom of the lid, just to make it more decorated. You could also cover that hole in the cup, but I wasn't bothered by that, so I'm going to leave it as it is. To decorate the cup, I decided to make some air dry clay elements out of the Finnabair molds. I have few handmade flowers, die-cut leaves, die-cut doilies, some chipboard frame, and also the flowers which are cut out of the Prima papers, and a piece of lace which will go around my project. All of these elements are in pink-white color, as these are the colors of my project. I'm starting with attaching the lace, and then I'm going to add the embellishments on top of it. As you can see, my die-cut doily is not even a whole it's not even a whole doily, but it is enough for this project. It's nice to use some leftovers from the previous projects. I always try to do that instead of keeping them in the drawers. And on top of that will go a chipboard frame, on top of the chipboard frame air dry clay frame, and then some flowers and other bits which I have on my desk. As you can see, not many embellishments, but it will look lovely anyway. I always like to finish off my projects by adding a lot of texture, and I have my favorite products on the desk: pearls, mini art stones, glitter, micro beads, and I'm going to adhere this using gel medium. You can also use glue which dries clear. You don't need to add a lot of these elements, but here and there, just to blend everything together to add interesting detail. And the last step is to add a white pearl wax. It's just beautiful color. It It will make the elements slightly shiny, but it's not like very visible. So I really like that effect, and this will be it for today. I hope you like the inspiration, and I invite you to create something similar, and if you will, please tag me on social media so I can see your projects. I'm so happy I could share my idea with you here, featuring the Finnabair products, which are absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for watching. Please check the Finnabair blog and the Facebook, Instagram page, because you will find lots of fantastic inspirations there. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a lovely creative day.